Sesame oil pulling might sound like a weird morning routine, but trust me, it's one of those overlooked health hacks. Essentially, you swish sesame oil around in your mouth like mouthwash for about 10 to 20 minutes. It's an ancient practice that has modern day benefits nobody really talks about enough. Think about oral hygiene. It's a chore for most people. Brushing, flossing, rinse, and repeat, right? Yeah, bacteria and plaques still seem to thrive. Enter sesame oil pulling, a natural alternative that promises to reduce about 50% of harmful bacteria. Now we're talking. Halitosis or bad breath is like the party crasher nobody wants around. Job interviews, dates, meetings, bad breath ruins everything. And oil pulling with sesame oil has been shown to reduce significantly more bad breath agents than your usual mouthwash. That's a win in any social situation. Inflamed gums and gingivitis are more common than we admit. That bleeding during flossing, yep, that's a wake-up call. Thanks to sesame oil's anti-inflammatory magic, those little annoyances can be slashed by nearly half. Your gums will thank you. Let's talk finance. Sesame oil pulling is incredibly cost-effective. A bottle of sesame oil costs less than your designer mouthwash and can last you weeks. For those on a budget that's still wanting to maintain excellent oral health, this practice can be a game changer. Are you tired of hearing about teeth whitening kits?
Companies promise Hollywood smiles, but
Sesame oil pulling naturally removes stains. Over time, your teeth can appear noticeably brighter by at least a shade or two, all without lasers or strips. Pro tip, begin oil pulling on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. Ideally, right after you wake up, before coffee or anything else. Swish the oil deliberately to even reach the hidden crevices. Your future dental appointments might have less drilling and more smiling. Stress is the modern villain with many side effects, including nasty mouth ulcers. The antioxidant properties in sesame oil soothe and heal gums while making those painful sores less frequent. It's like giving your mouth a mini spa treatment every morning. Sesame oil pulling is about detoxification too. By swishing daily, you're pulling out toxins and mucus deposits from the bloodstream. And imagine reducing your body's toxic load without harsh cleanses and fasting. It's a subtle but mighty detox method. Sensitivity and toothaches are pesky dental daggers we often endure. Many testify that this ancient practice of oil pulling eases overall tooth sensitivity. While it's no magic wand, a noticeable reduction in sensitivity could mean enjoying ice cream on hot Portland days with less cringe. Ever heard of snowball effect? Improving your oral health with sesame oil pulling can potentially benefit your whole body. Healthy gums link to a healthier heart, fewer headaches, and even less sinus congestion. And it's like setting off a chain of wellness. Curiosity guided me to try sesame oil pulling, and I'm glad I did. Living in Portland, surrounded by health enthusiasts, this practice fits right into my lifestyle. It's a simple habit, affordable, and brings noticeable improvements. Why wouldn't you give it a whirl?